Why has a European Space Agency printed 3D Lego-like bricks using 4.5 billion-year-old meteorite dust? I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Well, I'll tell you, it is all part of their plan to build sustainable structures on the moon. Imagine astronauts using materials found right there on the moon's surface to construct buildings, launch pads, and other essential infrastructure, so no more relying on solely just the supplies from Earth. But why Lego-inspired designs, you ask? Well, these interlocking bricks are perfect for testing different building techniques and understanding the limits of lunar materials. And here's the really cool part. While we might not see these bricks on the moon just yet, they could be used as early as 2026 when NASA's Artemis program lands astronauts near the moon's south pole. Until then, you could actually check out these space bricks at a few special Lego stores found around the world. How awesome is that? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, open a browser, type in cyberguy.com and click the red button to get it for free.